St. Catherine's Church. So the initial assessment of the kind of long room and kitchen area. So we have tracked all, there are 5 or 6 different thermostats in different locations. One of them was there. So they're all pretty much redundant, so what we've done is removed them so that they don't mislead. Like there, in that area. So we're removing all those and blanking them off, and the whole area is now going to be controlled by this thermostat. So what we did was we tracked all the wiring like we did in the other area, and rewired it so that that calls the boiler. But what we had was this: we assumed that the boiler pump was pumping it, but when we rewired it and did it, nothing happened. And this cover was on here and nobody knew, but behind that cover was more stuff, pump and that for the underfloor. In addition, we noticed that there's 2 valves in here in the kitchen underneath the boiler, back there at the back, and those valves are switched off. So that this area hasn't been heating in a long time, or at least since whoever turned off those 2 valves turned them off. And when we turn them on, maybe there's a problem. But we'll only know that once we have to rewire this pump now that we've discovered that. Because when we rewired it all, the heat wasn't working. So when we dug deeper, we found this. And so we now need to rewire that pump to suit as well. And then when we dug even deeper, we can see the pipes coming back along towards the boiler, those valves switched off there. Why they would have been turned off, I don't know. Maybe there's a leak or something, but we're about to find out soon.